It's 5:30 in the morning, and I'm at Liz and Alex's apartment, and Liz is snoring up a storm, geeking me out. Let's check it out. Going in for the kill. You chop that wood, Liz. You know I love you.